et salut à tous, c'est Mirac. Et je m'essaye à quelque chose que je fais pas d'habitude, c'est-à-dire le gaming, puisque bah, il n'y a pas que le dessin dans la vie, hein. Et bah, je dédie cette vidéo à ma bande de copains qui n'ont pas arrêté de me dire de jouer à ce jeu. Et j'espère que je vais aimer parce que ça faisait depuis un moment qu'il me faisait de l'œil et j'ai essayé d'éviter le spoil le plus possible, mais c'était pas évident. Mais maintenant que j'ai tout ce qu'il faut ben, pour m'y mettre, bah voilà quoi. J'ai euh, j'ai lancé ça sur ma chaîne, mon tout premier let's play. Euh, donc voilà, c'est parti. Ah, Haddock Studio. Ouais, c'est ça, Haddock. Ah, d'accord. Ils sont aussi avec Critical Role.
Obviously, I love him. He's my dad.
Hmm.
What does that mean? Just say what you want to say.
It's just when you add obviously, it feels a little
Je
less
l'imaginais pas avec
obvious.
une voix aussi
So,
grave.
I'll ask again. How do you really feel about your father? It's as if maybe it's a little more complicated than you feel comfortable admitting, which is completely understandable.
Ah mais
Look, I love my dad, all right? I love my dad. That's
j'espère
the
que c'est
truth.
pas
Loved.
That's what I
au
said.
clavier anglais
You
là.
said love. Your dad's dead, so you don't love him. You loved him.
Just so sensitive. Listen, if I didn't love him, we wouldn't be here, right?
We don't have to get into it.
Nope, we're in it now. Why would I be trying to find the man who killed him if I didn't love him? Why would I be doing any of this? Shit. My nose is bleeding. Thought I was getting emotionally snotty.
No, it's probably from when I kicked you in the face.
Yeah,
Ça,
thanks
ça
for
censure
reminding
déjà.
me. So, here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna hang you off the side of this building, and you're gonna tell me where Shroud is, or I'm going to drop you to your death.
Come on, I thought we were having a breakthrough.
Hey, we did. You know, for being a real piece of shit, you're pretty easy to talk to, but the only breakthrough I need right now is the location of Shroud.
I'm not telling you you loser.
See, this is more like how I thought.
Je réagis pas
I
trop
hope
parce que je suis en
Shroud
train de
kills
lire.
you
Hein.
just like he killed your father. I hope he spanks your little daddy as you to death. You hear me? Are we outside?
Windy up here tonight, huh?
Why are we outside?
No telling where you'll
It
land.
smells like outside smells. Wait,
Hey,
wait!
Neighbors, use your inside voice and just tell me where Shroud is.
Okay. Steel mill, Llewellyn Steelworks. Okay.
J'aurais même pas la force de le tenir comme ça, moi.
Yes, please. That's all I know.
Stop screaming, god damn it.
Help! Help!
Hey, I will pull you up if you quiet the down.
Help!
Honestly, it was nice talking to someone about this stuff.
J'ai vraiment un
Guess
doute
what
pour
I'm
cette histoire de
saying is,
clavier là.
Really glad I kidnapped you tonight.
Je vérifierai tout à l'heure. Ouh, j'ai failli louper. Hmm. C'est comme ça qu'on s'habille. Mais dis donc, il me fait penser à Red Hood, lui. En tout cas, c'est très très beau. Hein. C'est encore plus agréable à l'œil quand on joue directement au jeu plutôt que de regarder ça sur des vidéos postées au pif sur internet. C'est un peu foncé là quand même, hein. Ouais, c'est normal. J'ai failli me louper. J'aimerais bien vérifier mes boutons, mais on dirait que les scènes ne s'arrêtent pas depuis tout à l'heure. Bim. Bim. Oh là, oh là, oh là. Je suis concentré, je suis concentré. Ah! Il a pas validé mon clic tout à l'heure. Yip. Mais... Ah, il faut aller jusqu'au bout. J'ai failli me louper sur des trucs aussi simples, c'est abusé. Oh, sympa. Alors. Où est-ce qu'il faut y aller? Ah mais c'est pas logique avec les touches... Attendez. Ah ça, c'est mieux.
Time to finish this.
Mince.
All right, next one.
Je suis un pirate. Mais je dois aller où?
All right.
Hop.
Just one more.
Wow. Hop, hop. Ah d'accord, faut revenir là. Un petit casse-tête.
All right, got it.
Ouais mais du coup c'est pas les bonnes touches qui vont s'afficher sur mon clavier là. Même si j'ai mis en anglais. Bon. Je sais pas, on verra. Je dis
Hey,
ça.
can I get a copy of that video when
C'est ce
we're
que je
through
pensais.
here?
Hein.
'Cause there are some
Ah
people
bah,
out
c'est
there
au moins
who
dans
are
le
gonna want
sens
proof
du
that
clavier,
you're
c'est déjà
dead.
pas mal.
Oh no! Should I update my Wikipedia page?
All this build-up, face to face with your father's killer, and you come in here with that lame.
Ah bah, il est encore vivant, lui.
Where the f
Ah oui,
is
c'est vrai.
Shroud?
He'll be here in a bit.
Bête.
Oh, hey! After our conversation, I asked him about your dad. Fun little tidbit. He was very well hydrated.
Mhm.
Turns out right after Shroud shot him in the chest, your dad pissed his pants. Bet you didn't know that, huh? So, after that bullet tore through his insides, he still had enough time to know how absolutely f***ed he was and just pissed himself like a little It was like so much piss. Because your dad was wearing shorts, so
Hey.
it just kept...
I get it.
Et combien de temps il s'est passé entre la première scène et celle-là? J'ai pas bien compris. Ah et en plus c'est un pilote de méca, d'accord.
Can we just skip to the part where you reveal your bull superpower so we can fight for real?
Aïe aïe aïe. Il est complètement disloqué. Ah. Ah, et en plus ça censure. Ça veut dire qu'on devait voir un truc. Ah d'accord.
Cool. So you got some kind of clever supervillain.
Ah, je comprends mieux pourquoi on devait censurer.
That works on so many
Amusé.
levels for you.
Yeah, no. That's the point!
Elle m'a déjà pété un écran au secours.
Pretty good when normies like you use them. When you put them on someone who already has powers, and chef's kiss.
J'ai appuyé. En vrai, la censure, elle me distrait plus qu'autre chose. Ah! Ah, ça en dit des gros mots aussi, hein. Et je me concentre. Oh non! Oh non! Je l'ai complètement loupé! Ah, ça va être la fête là. C'est bon. J'ai appuyé. Ah! Mais c'est pas allé jusqu'au bout. Il a de la force, oh purée. Bim. Je me demande jusqu'à quel point j'aurais pu me louper en fait. Ou c'est juste là pour me distraire. Enfin, pas que je m'endorme sur les cinématiques quoi. Est-ce qu'on peut vraiment se louper? Oh là là. En plein dans du slime, au secours. Oula, j'ai failli le louper celui-là. Aïe aïe aïe. Oh, ça doit pas être... ça doit pas être génial ça. Je suis censée m'en sortir comment là? Il y a quelqu'un qui va m'aider. Mais des fois il répond en retard. Hein. Qu'est-ce qui va nous sortir de son chapeau?
So, what do you got left on them shields? I said 40%, but Boss Man says you're
Bah, ça
down
va
to
pour l'instant.
28, and he is not
Pour l'instant.
wrong about this thing.
Après, comment en sortir, ça je sais pas.
Good news, buddy.
Juste un
Crown
peu
says he
bloqué.
just wants the Astral Pulse, which we all know isn't really yours anyway.
Il va durer combien de temps le bouclier là, à ce rythme?
System check. Calculate the damage per second hitting shields. Then tell me how many seconds I need to divert astral pulse energy to rocket boosters.
12.89 seconds of damage before critical.
Oh hey, Boss Man says if you're planning on diverting
Je vais tenter un truc désespéré, j'imagine. À moins de me faire sauver avant.
This is a limited time offer, dude. What's up? You were so talkative earlier.
You're bluffing.
Hey, Math Blaster, I don't give a okay? I'm just the messenger here. You said you're not calculating that stuff to your leg, dog.
Allez hop. En fait, je vais m'enfuir, je vais exploser, je vais tout faire exploser. Qu'est-ce que je vais faire? Allez. Ah, je vais au moins m'enfuir. Bon, moi je suis pas mort. Ça aurait été ballot dès le début quand même. Ah, effectivement, il a un masque rouge.
Yeah. Status.
Pulse status
C'est cool qu'ils aient mis un système de censure et un système aussi pour les musiques parce que du coup, j'aurais pas à faire tout ça au montage. Là, au moins, c'est assez cool. Ah, je me suis endormie dedans. Ah, c'est... Ça, c'est pas ouf. Ah, et en plus, je m'écrase. Super. C'est que le début, hein.
It was just over 4 months ago that images like this were recorded across the Southland. Videos flooded social media and our newsroom,
Ah oui, d'accord.
showing what many thought to be the death of Mecha Man. Again.
Désolé d'avoir
For nearly
foiré ta
50
vidéo.
years, a Mecha Man has protected Los Angeles. Built by an ordinary civilian with no superpowers. This first suit was
Ah, c'est
dubbed
bien ce que
by
je me
some
disais.
fans as
J'avais
Mecha
l'impression
Man
que le personnage
Prime.
principal n'avait pas de pouvoir.
Generations of pilots, their identities kept secret, have given everything to protect this community, including their lives. After the tragic passing of Prime, the next Mecha Man, known as Astral, teamed up with a
Faut
star-studded
s'hydrater.
superhero group known as the Brave Brigade, leading to an unprecedented period of peace in the Southland. After years of loyal service, tragedy struck again when Shroud, a former Brave Brigade member turned villain, killed the pilot of Mecha Man in cold blood. But yet again, as
Oh.
hope was lost, a third generation of Mecha Man emerged. A Mecha Man
Je suis
for
donc le
Clark,
troisième
a
Mechaman.
bulwark against organized crime in the greater Los Angeles area, until today. Earlier today, Mecha Man broke his silence and addressed the media.
Je vais revenir avec des bandages, non? Ah bah forcément.
There's been a lot of speculation about my health and the state of the Mecha Man suit, and I'm here to put that speculation to rest. The suit has been damaged beyond my ability to repair, so I will be stepping back from superhero work, effective immediately.
Ah!
Does this mean you're
On peut pas en
finished?
fabriquer un autre?
What's next for Mecha Man?
Does this mean your career is over?
badly were you hurt?
One at a time, please.
Ashley Rhiness, San Pedro Daily, do you have anything to say to your fans? The public outpouring, the vigils, a lot of them were worried you wouldn't wake up.
I suppose I want them to know I did my best. I worked as long as I could, as hard as I could, and that's all anyone can do. Next question.
Chris Stratton, Torrance Tribune. Does this mean you're retiring as Mecha Man? Word on the street is you're donezo.
Are you 100 years old? Why are you talking like that?
Answer the question, buddy boy. Are you retiring?
T'arrêtes de me parler
My
mal là?
readers need the skinny, and I aim to deliver. Let's get it on the record.
Sans commentaire.
I'm not looking to comment on that just yet. That's the only skinny I can give you. All right, just one more, please. I gotta get back to,
Pas police, tu veux que je réponde?
just one more. Preferably someone from the Century.
Charles Kingsley, South Bay Signal. So, Shroud kills your father, goes to jail 15 years, breaks out, and immediately dupes you into a trap where he destroys the Mecha Man suit and puts you in a coma for months.
Il y a du lore.
I didn't hear a question in there.
Two-parter. First, why didn't Shroud kill you? You haven't been conscious for months. It'd be easy money taking you out.
Okay, Shroud
J'en sais
wanted
rien, je la
Astral
prends en même temps que toi, en
Pulse
vrai.
and Mecha Man gone. He got both. I'm not sure I mattered much.
Right, you're unimportant. Which leads me to my next question. Most heroes avenge their family. You did the opposite.
Bah, Batman non plus ne venge pas sa famille,
How
hein.
disappointed would your dad be if he were here right now? Your father, your grandfather, they must be rolling
On va
over in their
répondre, ça va
graves.
faire du lore.
I think he'd be proud, because I'm alive. Which, as you so sensitively pointed out, he isn't. I think he knows that I sacrificed everything and that I did my best. Being Mecha Man, protecting my community, was the greatest honor I'll ever have. Now I have to live knowing that. Thank you for coming.
Allez, ciao.
Up next, is Mecha Man a mecha quitter?
Yeah, I mean, it seemed like it'd be better if he died than be a mecha coward.
Et de toute façon, quoi que tu dises, ils ont toujours des commentaires à faire, quoi.
Stay tuned to find out.
Le mec, il vole comme ça, tranquille devant ma face, quoi.
Hey. Yeah, just put the TVs back and you can leave.
Dans la vraie vie, j'aurais pas fait ça, mais
This doesn't need
on va en profiter de sur un jeu vidéo. Hein.
I'll handle this idiot. Keep loading. We're out of here in 30. And who the f are you? Yeah, you.
Après, moi, je me mets dans la merde, j'ai un bras en moins et...
Who the f are you?
Right now, I'm someone with nothing to lose, which is probably bad news for you.
Well, with nothing you have.
En vrai, c'est trop dangereux ce que je viens de faire.
Whatever the case, I'm enough to deal with a pack of f***ing Skittles idiots like you.
Ah, c'est vrai qu'ils sont tous colorés.
Look, you're hurt. You're not thinking straight. You don't want to fight someone who knows which hand every punch is coming from.
Pas le coup point droit, hein. Ah non, quel conne. J'ai pensé que c'était la meilleure solution parce que c'était le bras valide, mais... Aïe, aïe, aïe. Bon, comme dans la vraie vie, hein, quand il y a trop de monde, c'est pas évident, quoi. Ah, mais au moins, je me fais aider. Merci, madame.
That guy I threw, he landed on the roof, right?
All good.
Phew. Hi, I'm Blonde Blazer. I work over at Superhero Dispatch Network.
Hey, hi, yeah, I know who you are. You're like famous.
Oh, I don't know about that. I'm just a corporate hero for hire. You're the real deal. You're the famous one.
C'est super à la mode ce genre de thème avec les super-héros.
I don't think infamous is the same as famous, but...
Oh god, your arm.
Il y a un petit goût de The Boys.
Oh yeah, that's gross.
Yeah, you look like some kind of mime DJ. Let me see it. I'll help you. Usually dislocates the other way.
Okay, but have you done this before? Because maybe...
Ah, c'était obligé.
Okay. Wow, that's okay. Thank you.
One of them is on that roof.
You look like you could use a drink.
What makes you say that?
Je me demande s'il y avait des musiques de droit d'auteur à ce moment-là.
Well, you know what? They can taste the rainbow in jail.
What do you mean? Like different
Ah, il est costaud en fait.
Sorry. Sorry.
I actually didn't know what I meant, but you know what? It should have been that.
I'm a little buzzed. I don't really make jokes like that. I think Vizzy's rubbing off on me.
Who?
Someone I work with. It's... yeah.
That feels like a challenge.
Oh, no. It's fine.
En vrai, je voulais pas
Don't
dire
worry
ça,
about
mais
shipping
bon,
up.
je savais pas quoi dire.
Something to do with the powers. It takes a lot for me to feel anything.
What a sad sentence.
Hey, you should give yourself more credit. To do what you did for as long as you did, especially without superpowers.
Not true. What do you call this?
Ah,
I can fix that one
dégueulasse.
for you too.
No thanks, I like this one.
Thank you. So, how did you afford all that? You must have spent hundreds of thousands of...
Millions. So you'll understand when the check comes.
You're serious?
Et il a fait comment?
Millions.
Yeah, I basically burned through my entire inheritance keeping it going. The last
Okay.
couple of years have just been duct tape and sheer determination.
C'est un bon ingénieur quand
Why
même
did
s'il
you
a
do
tout
it?
fait tout ça avec sa
Sacrifice
propre fortune
everything
et
to be a
tout.
superhero to the point of financial.
Ruin?
I was gonna say hardship, but ruin was the first word that came to mind, yeah. You must be completely broke at this point.
I don't know. I guess I just like helping people.
Je dis ça avec beaucoup d'enthousiasme.
So, are you drunk yet or what?
Yeah, I should probably switch into water.
Bah, termine ça avant.
Because I was hoping, after some drinks to loosen you up, I could learn a little more about you. And, if all that went well, present you with a proposition.
Mhm. Va me faire bosser.
Proposition.
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out if this is a fit or not, you know? Then it's just a matter of picking the right moment.
Well, I have to say, Blazer, that does sound intriguing.
That's actually
Oui, attends.
water.
God, this is like pure alcohol.
It's not like alcohol, it is alcohol. I know because you spit it directly into my open mouth. That's water. That, see? How it has ice in it?
You drink hard liquor from a pint glass?
Actually, I usually just drink it straight from the bottle, but I thought that would be embarrassing.
Il va falloir faire une pause, mais à quel
gonna go
moment?
clean up.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. I will be right back.
What are you doing?
Hey! Hey, I'm talking to you.
Alright, just so you know, I only turned around because someone yelled, not because I'm a or anything.
Don't you watch the news? This is a superhero bar.
Oh, wow, are you a superhero? That's so cool. Is this your power? You're like, tell people obvious guy?
Are you really going to act like you don't remember me?
Wait, it's coming back to me. Hold on. Yeah, it's coming back to me. Oh, wait. I know it.
Je mets au pif.
You know what? You are Mr. Wet Ponytail. Your superpower is then obviously your ponytail, which, aside from being disgusting, has the ability to never not be wet. In battle, you whip it around, and anyone it touches
kills himself.
C'est parti.
Damn.
You good?
Sorry, I choked on my spit.
No, make a
Et j'ai pas compris pourquoi il me cherche des ennuis en fait.
The fire?
and the flame, and my skin does not burn. I am Flambe, and you.
Wait, I do remember you're that villain I busted up.
Not anymore, naked. As I literally just said, I am Flambe, a real superhero, and you
C'est
are
marrant
not
son
Mega
accent.
Man anymore. So you need to get the out of here. Now we can do this the easy way.
There, easy way. You're gonna
Ouais,
help me
parce
now,
que l'alcool,
right?
j'aurais pu le cramer le pauvre.
Waiting a long time for this.
Bim!
Holy shit. What song is that?
Your mouth. It's whistling. Come on, we should get you to a hospital.
No, Coop! Guy needs a dentist. I've got it on ice. Should be able to reattach it.
Teeth don't work that way. You're thinking of fingers and you know what? Give it a shot.
Hey, Mecca, get the out of here.
I get it.
J'ai rien fait du tout.
I'm outside.
Oh purée. Ah, c'est pratique.
Leaving.
Oh là là.
Hey, I couldn't find you.
It's cool. I was just admiring the art on this dumpster. Can't tell why anyone would put those words together. Why are you holding drinks?
Nightcap?
You're in trouble.
Actually, according to the bartender, that's exactly what you are. What happened in there? I walk out and the bartender's pissed. The whole energy is awkward. And I almost rolled the heck out of my ankle on this slippery floor.
Oh, my glass slipped and I made a little mess.
Just a little
Techniquement, c'est ce qui s'est passé.
Yeah.
Hein.
Does that not sound convincing enough?
Hold these. I know a place.
You stung.
It's a little out there. Easier if we fly.
Oh non. Ah, mais elle me porte vraiment comme une plume. Hein. Très joli les décors. Waouh. En plus, on voit à quel point c'est grand.
I actually thought you were taking us to sit on it.
Hmm? Oh yeah, that would have been cool. Oh no, yeah, this
Ah,
is better.
les grands
Because you
titres.
can see it. And it looks like there's a couple up there already, so.
I really appreciate you coming to my rescue back there. I still think I could have handled it, but all I'm trying to say
Oh, bien
is
sûr, je m'en sortais.
thanks. I should have just said that, but yeah, I'm still talking.
Don't you worry about it, Robert Robertson.
Robert Robertson.
How do you know my name?
Oops.
What's going on?
Okay, I'll tell you. But only after you tell me how you ended up with a name like that.
Oh, you mean a name like Robert Robertson III?
The third? 3 times this
C'est comme les
happened?
personnages Marvel.
There's Grandpa Bobby, then my dad, who I called Dad, but everyone else called Robbie, and then me, Robert, because I wanted to be taken seriously.
Family tradition.
In more ways than one. Gramps was the first Mecha Man. He died in the suit before I was born. Dad was killed fighting Shroud. That's when I took over. There was a little inheritance and the life insurance money.
I'm so sorry. I didn't realize.
Just your run-of-the-mill, sad superhero origin story. The family tradition, if there is one, is dying in that suit. Which I guess I don't have to worry about anymore.
De Pacific Rim.
What is it?
I'm not quite drunk enough to share my origin story just yet. But remind me to tell you someday.
Definitely.
Prends ton temps. Mais c'est que ça s'approche quand même. Ah, elle veut juste m'enlever mon masque. Ah, il me manque un bout d'oreille.
We can work with this.
Ah, je vais rien faire quand même. Il y a à peine de se voir.
Sorry, I'm actually here with a purpose.
Et on aurait vraiment pu l'embrasser alors
The
que...
way I went about
Je sais pas,
things
je voulais
today,
juste pas être un goujat,
I'm
quoi, c'est
sorry.
tout.
It was all a little loose, a little unprofessional.
Unprofessional? I'm not sure that applies to this.
I'm actually here on official business. How I know your name, the proposition I mentioned right
Je voulais
before
pas la
you spun
rejeter,
the
mais
mill.
c'est juste que
Still mortified about
on
that.
se connaît à
It's
peine,
fine.
quoi. Enfin, je crois.
Do you remember a superhero named Trackstar?
Remember, of course. He's like family. That I haven't talked to in a while, but what about him?
I work with him at SDN. He recommended you. Mentioned that he worked with your father.
Yeah, he was the youngest member of the Brave Brigade, so he was kind of my babysitter for a while. How's he doing?
He's doing great. He's why I'm here. Robert, I would like to make you an offer. In exchange for dispatching and mentoring some of our rookie heroes, SDN can make you Mecha Man again. But this time with all the resources that a company as big as ours has at their disposal. No more paying out of pocket for repairs. Support staff, the whole shebang.
My suit was totally destroyed.
I saw the report, studied the footage. It's not totally destroyed, just mostly. It's a big investment. It'll take considerable time and money to get the suit repaired
ça
and
serait
some
bien.
pieces replaced. Plenty of time to learn how to dispatch and level up some of the heroes on our roster. Your experience, your work ethic, your perspective, it's all invaluable. Share it, Robert. You have a lot left to give.
Allez, on se
So when do
motive.
we get started? Wait, so you want me dispatching? What's that even mean?
Oh, right. I was supposed to test you at the bar. Here.
The drunk people shouldn't be throwing things at drunk people.
Noted.
Am I waiting or are you waiting? What's going
It
on?
was supposed to open up when I threw it to you. Well, okay, there. Pop it on. This is part of the assessment. And don't move too much in there. You're sitting on the edge of the billboard.
Greetings and welcome to this training simulation. We may be superheroes, but we're nothing without SDN's real hero, the Dispatcher. So, Dispatcher, where do we start?
Je commence dès maintenant.
Well, it appears we've got...
I saw some scary, suspicious men last night leaving the old movie theater.
You'll receive requirements to help you determine which heroes to send. Such an array of brave heroes to choose from. How? This graph will show you what a hero does well and not so well.
Attaquer la planque lui bien garder des diables. Se défendre contre les ennemis armés. Ok.
A
Faudrait quelqu'un
hero with
de...
a knack for vigor and combat looks right for the job.
Ok.
That sounds like me, Phenomaman.
Ok.
Now that at least one hero is being dispatched, it's time to get to work.
Et on peut en mettre plusieurs aussi. Ok.
A wise choice. I will now return to SDN.
Ouais.
When a hero returns to SDN, they'll need some much-needed R&R. Don't forget to review your hero's performance. They won't be sent out again until you do. On SDN's state-of-the-art graph, we can see an analysis.
Ok.
Let's see how well I did after responding to that call. There's no such thing as a perfect fit. Use your the more that
Faut
my
s'adapter au mieux, quoi.
organized criminals, often led by figurehead supervillains, are the scourge of Southern California. We work tirelessly to root them out.
Vraiment, il y a une vague de méchants. Enquêter, une vague de méchants qui aurait découvert l'université, interpréter les indices pour démasquer des mystérieux criminels. Ok.
Intellectually stimulating.
Attends. Interpréter les indices, j'ai l'impression que c'est elle, hein, la Big Brain. Ah, lui aussi. Ah, mais en fait, tous, ils sont intelligents. On va essayer lui.
Everything in moderation.
Knowledge is power.
Moi, j'ai envoyé les deux, mais est-ce que c'était une bonne idée? Voilà. Ah oui, j'en ai même mis beaucoup trop. Ok. Degré des trucs, super, puis quand on dit ça, quelqu'un qui a du charisme, non? Du charisme. Hop, hop. Hop. Oui, peut-être.
Excellent choice.
Peut-être qu'ensemble ça devrait aller.
Oh, if these streets could talk.
Du coup, est-ce que ça me fera assez de héros pour après?
One of your heroes needs you. As their leader, Your heroes will look to you. Make choices and follow where they lead. These choices need the right skill. Remember each of your hero's strengths.
Mais du coup, je l'ai atteint ou je l'ai pas atteint? Oh, ça fait beaucoup de missions là.
The diabolical supervillain El Diablo is attacking Los Angeles General.
Protéger les civils sans défense, arrêtez les
It's one of my arch nemesises, El Diablo. That means the Diablo in Spanish.
Huh, he must have been using the convoy ambush as a distraction.
And to attack helpless hospital people. That craven
Speaking of hospitals, did you know SDN offers a robust benefits package for all full-time employees?
That's phenomenal! Onward, upward, forward.
There's a giant monster attacking downtown! Save us, SDN!
Détourner l'attention du monstre et encaisser. Attaquer la bête jusqu'à elle.
Block this. Exactly right.
The convoy of Diablo's goons are harrying the highway patrol.
As if traffic in this city was not bad enough.
Intercepter le
Speaking of traffic and going places, does SDN offer paid time off to take vacations?
Of course. PTO accrues at a regular rate over time. Use it however you like, as long as you discuss your schedule with your manager well in advance.
What the f is a PTO?
SDN values work-life balance. When the bell rings, your shift will end very soon.
Ça peut être génial. Hein.
Sometimes a hero can use their talents to
Allez, hop.
tip the scales. They are. El Diablo's threat has been eliminated.
Oh, quel enfer.
The children are safe and sound.
Ah, mais tous ceux qui sont, ne serait-ce qu'un petit peu vifs, ils sont pas encore revenus. Comment on fait? S'ils se reposent. Chaud. Ouais, en vérité, j'aurais dû l'envoyer depuis le début.
Oh god, no. Help us. We're being held hostage. Send help, please.
You can find suggestions on how to handle hostage situations on page 234 of SDN's Guide to Dispatching.
El Diablo's goons are running scared. We're right on the
Je peux
heels
pas
of
les
his
amener?
sidekick, El Diablito.
Ah, c'est chiant.
Too many things.
Ah, il y en a trop. C'est peut-être fait exprès, hein, je sais pas. Oh. Ah, c'est parce que j'ai pas validé l'émission, c'est pour ça. Voilà.
This outcome is all thanks to you.
Ouf.
SDN solves all problems, big and small. We never ignore the people of the city, particularly the elderly.
Speaking of
Ah,
retirement,
je l'ai complètement
quick
raté.
question, Phenomenon, does SDN offer
Ah oui.
401k matching?
Yes, but there are limitations. Your HR representative will have all the details. Our shift is done now. It is time for lunch.
We couldn't have
L'heure
done it
de la
without you,
pause.
dispatcher.
Too true.
I'm going to enhance my break time with some of the snack offerings in our break room vending machines.
Great idea. Thank you again, dispatcher. I hope to be seeing a lot more of you. Goodbye for now, and don't forget to be phenomenal.
Did he just say phenomenal? It felt pretty natural to me. And that it's natural for me to end up mid-tier, that said, for a first time, feels pretty...
Elle s'est endormie pendant que je faisais le tuto, quoi.
Did I drool on you?
I don't think so.
Well, you see why we thought of... Well, why Trackstar thought of you.
It makes sense, yeah.
Bon, je sais comment pour descendre, moi.
Meet me at the
En bas.
SDN offices tomorrow.
En échelle.
I'm not done saving you yet.
Ok.
Is there a ladder, or...
Mais c'est bien ce que je me disais.
Sorry I'm late.
Petit petit chien. Ah, je donne pas de céréales, non?
I think things are gonna be alright, but...
Mais il y a des croquettes, mais pas des céréales sucrées.
I met a nice lady. She wants to help us out.
Et voilà, épisode 1 complété. Bon ben désolé, hein, j'ai pas réagi tout le temps parce que bah, c'est relativement calme. Et puis bon, je suis pas vraiment du genre à parler trop quand ça parle aussi. Il faut bien que je me concentre moi un minimum. Mais sinon ça va, j'aime bien. À voir ce que ça va donner après. Ah oui, Aaron Paul, c'est vrai, j'avais complètement oublié. Mais je pense qu'on va s'arrêter là pour ce premier épisode du coup. À la prochaine et bah voilà. Hein. Ah, je viens de remarquer qu'on peut voir le choix des joueurs, donc je vais le laisser. Suivant. 45% là. En même temps, c'est un peu rapide quand même. Ah, j'ai quand même fait mieux que 10% des joueurs. Répondu aux journalistes, 29%. Ok, ben on va s'arrêter là. Et voilà.